Good morning, children. Today we will learn about algorithm. What is algorithm? When you are going to making a program in a computer, so that time step-by-step solution of any given problem is known as algorithm. So it will help you to start a program or it will give you the results. Okay. So how will you follow the steps and how will you do that kind of work, or you have to arrange the program so that you can run any type of work, any type of calculation and solution you can do through this algorithm. Okay, so you have to give the commands what you want to do, and there will be number of steps, and after that automatically it's give you the result. And this algorithm, when you are going to use the algorithm, flowcharts will help you to decorate the theories and the data and the calculations and everything. It will give you the solution. Okay, so step by step solution of any given problem is known as algorithm. Okay, next, suppose you are suppose you want to go to market to buy grocery, then the algorithm for the same can be as follows. Step 1, start. Okay, then get ready and take the money and bags and go to the market, find the groceries to buy, pay the bill. Okay, and next take back the groceries to home. Okay, these are the step. Okay, next, what will you do? When we divide the solution into steps, it becomes easier for readers to understand the process. And so, with the help of algorithm, we can make it easy to write solution of bigger problems and questions, whatever it is. So it will help you to give you the total solution with the easier process. Any kind of reader can understand what you want to do. Okay, so next step is flowcharts. Flowchart is a diagrammatic representations of any algorithm. कोई भी एल्गोरिथम करने जा रहे हो उसके पहले क्या करना है, फ्लोचार्ट्स को यूज करके उसको डिजाइन बनाना है. ओके, कैसे वो डिजाइन होता है वो भी मैंने दिखाऊंगा. सो इफ वी कन्वर्ट द एल्गोरिथम इनटू स्टेप्स, it becomes easy for anyone to understand the steps as geographical representation is way better than a textual representation. So algorithm, if you only write only the theories, nobody can understand. If you draw the diagrams and you will decorate the things in a diagrammatically, anybody can understand, and it looks very good and decorative. Okay, so how will you do flowcharts? Look at that. This type of diagrams you can use: start or stop, input output symbol. Other than you can use so many symbols are there in your computer, you can decorate, but here some of them are given here, so you can use start and stop with this symbol. So write down here start, and then input and output, whatever you are inputting or outputting, you can use this symbol. Processing formulas, here you can put the formulas, it can give you the solution. Here condition or decision box. Okay, on page or concreter. Okay, off page or concreter. So this type of symbol, direction arrow sign, you can use here. You can draw the arrow sign like this here in your computer. You can do this type. So write an algorithm and flowchart to accept any two numbers, then print the sum and product of the numbers. Okay, so okay, next start, input two numbers, such numbers such as AB. Suppose you can take 2 and 3, and add the two numbers. So 2 plus 3, okay, what will be, what will you, what it will give, what it will give, it will give you 5, okay, and multiply two numbers and store in product, print the sum and print the product and stop. So after that multiply product, multiply the two numbers, 2 into 3, what it will give you, 2 into 3, it will give you what, 6. Okay, now you can print the solution whatever you made. So with this, with using this type of steps, you can solve. This is simple form, but in a typical form or any hard calculation you can do with the using the algorithm. So many calculation in a second you can do. I showed you only start input this type of design you can do. Okay, look at that, sum AB product A into B, print sum, I say like this you can design. But you can do, this is the simplest form, but you can do typical calculations and everything in a second, and it will give you the data of your calculations. Okay, so these are all about the flowcharts and algorithm. Understood? Okay, thank you class. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.